So, friends, in this video, we are going to talk about true and false. Many of the students generally have more problems in true and false.
Yeah, I had initially.
Yeah, I also had. Actually, the main reason is our overthinking.
Yeah,
So when we read the question, we think, yeah, it's given or it's related to that thing,
yeah,
and that's how we make the mistake generally. So this time we are going to solve like some of the questions which we have taken from Cambridge,
yeah.
and these are the questions, and above is the we have the paragraph which we have to see for this one.
Right. Yeah.
So okay, so first we will discuss. So what does true, false, and not given really mean? So I will suggest to read this part before giving the true, false parts will part section, because if you know what does true, false, and not given means, it will come to your mind. Okay, what you have to look in the questions.
Yeah.
So true means if the statement agrees with the information, if the statement contradicts the information, if there is no information on this. So generally the issue generally comes between false and not given,
Yeah.
because in false it is contradicts the information, and in not given there is no information on this. So be careful.
And don't we should not use our extra sense of knowledge here because if it's not given
It's
means it's
not
not
given.
given. It can't be false.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the confusion majorly lies there.
So okay, let's start with the question. So question is, students can begin the 1 year course without any previous involvement in acting.
Yeah. And one more very quick tip is don't read the passage before. Don't waste your time there. First read the question, then answer accordingly.
Correct.
Yeah.
So students can begin the 1 year course without any previous involvement in acting, and the questions will be in always sequence. So
Yeah.
if you are at this level, so it means all the questions above this are already covered.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is an intensive course which is designed for those who have completed their academic studies and have some theater or film experience already. So here we can see it's already mentioned academic studies and have some theater or film experience already.
Yeah.
So it means it will be true. So I mean it will be false, because we need to have that experience, previous involvement in acting.
Yeah. So it will be false.
Okay. Now coming to the second question, students will act in a performance in front of their classmates at the end of the first term.
Yeah.
So now we will go to the first term here. So here is the term one.
So answer would be in these three lines. That's for sure.
Yeah, correct. So technical classes in acting, voice, movement, applied movement, and characterization, music, singing, film, radio, and professional development. The term finishes with an internal production given for tutors and students
Yeah. So as it's been given in this question, students will act in performance in front of their classmates.
at the end of the first
First
term.
term. So there they have mentioned it.
So see here, the term finishes with an internal production given for tutors and students.
So the students would be their classmates.
Correct.
That means it's true.
True. So now come to the question 3. Family members may attend a performance during the second term.
Yeah. So now we have to go to the second
Second term.
term paragraph.
So see, now you can see the first question was above and the second was behind that. So we have come here.
Yeah.
All technical classes continue from term 1. There is an internal performance of a Act 1 play, the recording of an audio showreel at a professional studio, and the showcase drama in front of an invited audience, including casting, directors, and agents.
Okay. The question was that your family members
May attend a performance during
during
the
the
second
second
term.
term. But here, as you can see, no family member is mentioned here. It's only said that invited audience, including casting directors and agents. That means it is not given
Yeah, correct.
because yeah,
The thing, see, which here because family performance during the second term, so it means there is a performance is there, but it's not given
that family member would attend or
or
not
not
attend.
attend,
Yeah,
because also something in front of a invited audience,
yeah,
including part they have confirmed casting directors agents will be surely there,
yeah.
but the invited audience can be anything,
Anyone. Yeah,
anyone. So that's why it will be not given. In this case, some people would have written false because they will say because casting directors and agents are given, family is not given. But in front of an invited audience, this part is important here. Okay. So our fourth question is students are required to make a film on their own in the last term of the course.
Yeah.
So we will move to the last term. Technical classes continue with additional focus on audition technique, workshops, and master classes. This term includes a public performance of a play outdoors in the ground of Blenheim Palace and the chance to act a short film recorded on the location by a professional crew.
Okay, so they were correct in one way that a short film will be made at the last term, but there is
But
one word in the question.
which is students are required to make a film on their own. So you have to look at this part
On their
on
own.
their own. So but here, see,
Professional crew.
chance to act in a short film recorded on a location by professional crew. So this part is there.
So it's false.
It's false.
Okay, so the next one.
Fifth question. So fifth question is in their first audition, candidates perform speeches they have worked on in advance. So here we are. So first of all, we have reached till here. So now first audition is here for their initial audition. So first audition and initial audition is the same thing.
Yeah, so try to search those words which are here on the top also. There is one audition, but is by audition only, and there is no academic, so nothing much. And there is another audition here on the second paragraph, but that's something regarding a fee.
Hmm. So you have to like synonyms is given. Like here it is given first audition
Yeah,
and over there it's initial audition.
yeah.
So you have to understand. So for your initial audition, you will need to prepare two contrasting speeches from plays, lasting no longer than 2 minutes.
Okay.
There will also be some group work for which you will need to wear loose, comfortable clothing. So our question is, in their first audition, candidates perform speeches they have worked on in advance.
Yeah. So here they have mentioned that two speeches,
Contrasting speeches
speeches,
from plays. So it means
the older plays which the person has performed, they have to speak about it. So two speeches they need to prepare for
prepare
the
from there.
audition.
So you will need to prepare two corners from the plays. So
From
it means
the old plays they took part in or they were a part of.
yeah.
Yeah. So it'll be true. Now moving to the next question.
The Oxford School of Drama will send candidate details of local accommodation.
Yeah.
So
Let's
okay.
read where it is.
So initial this is done. So we are here now.
Only one paragraph for two questions.
Yeah. If you are applying from overseas, you will be able to submit your first audition by means of DVD, YouTube, or link to a secure website. You will be invited to submit this once we have received your application form and audition fee. If you are successful in your first audition, you will be invited to attend future auditions here at this school. The school will provide a free bus from Central Oxford for those attending auditions.
Okay, so the question was something about accommodation.
Yeah.
Accommodation details, but nothing at all has been mentioned. But we'll still recheck on the whole passage once again. I mean on the top as well if we have missed it. By chance, there could be slight chances. We
Generally, that doesn't happen.
Yeah.
Like if the question, if you have reached here by reading the answer, so it means the other answer will be
Yeah,
afterwards
but
only.
just give a very brief look if there is anywhere accommodation
Accommodation word is been
or
mentioned.
any stay or anything where you can see some similar words. But what we have already read a lot of things in
Yeah,
this,
so we have not got anything as of now.
so it is not given. Just take 10 or 15 seconds to do that because there could be just zero point 0.1 chances of
But
that.
generally, I think I have given three exams, and we
Yeah.
both have given three exams. We have not faced that thing, and also in questions which you have solved for Cambridge or some other books, we have never faced that thing.
Yeah, true. But just for bad luck, we can say.
If that happens, that we can't
Yeah,
do
but
anything.
that's very 0.1% chances.
Correct.
Yeah.
So here there is no mention of accommodation over here, so
So
that's
not
why
given.
not given. Overseas candidates can do all their auditions via digital link. So here, so this is very actually confusing question. So here it is written, able to submit your first audition by means of DVD, YouTube, or link to a secure website. So if we read this part, we will think, oh, okay, okay, we have got the answer, and it's true. So, but it's given for all the auditions, so we need to go further. You will be invited to attend future auditions here at the school.
So you can't do digitally. Your
Correct.
auditions have to do means you have to physically go to school.
For the second audition.
Yeah.
So this will be
False.
so this is just like some of the tricky questions. Like this was a tricky question. Sometimes also what happens, like from my experience, we read the like we have read okay audition, so and we read this first line. Okay, it's asking for secure to a secure website, and we think okay we got the answer, and we jump to a conclusion. Okay, this is true, but we have to read the question carefully. It's saying for all the auditions, and that's how we have to make our answer.
Yeah. So, yep, we'll be coming with these short and helpful videos for all of you. So, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.